Good morning, all of you. Today we will see some more examples on AWS Lambda. So this is my dashboard, AWS root account. In this, I would like to start creating a function. This is the create function, and I am going to work on a planet program. Okay, so which gives a value by matching with the existing code in the Lambda. Okay, so it's a very basic example for practice purpose. Okay, so let me type my function name as planet, for example. So if it is already existing, it will ask us to create a unique name of the function. So planet 1 I am creating, and this time I am selecting a Python runtime environment as 3.9, and the architecture is x86, and the permissions I am taking here as create a new role with the basic Lambda permissions. Okay, so just go there and click on create function. It will create a function for you with the name planet1. Once it is done, then you can start working on a small program related to Lambda. Okay, so now as per the documentation, okay, so this is a very simple function we are taking here. So let me take this program for the execution. In this, I am writing a planet event as an input. If it matches with the event configuration which I have given as an input, then this will return as known as a return value. If the event configure value is equal to sun, then if these two matches, then the return value will be displayed here. So let us see how it is going to be executed in our Lambda program. So this is my test Lambda program. Now what I do here is I will just replace this code with the existing one. So now import Json and def Lambda handler event context. Then I can start working on print. So print this is my AWS Lambda function, and now if condition I am giving for my planet. If planet equals to earth, then it should return the value, okay, as a mode. Or else, if the planet matches with the sun, then it should return a value as this is not a planet. Default, it should end up with these values. Okay, so this is the procedure. Okay, this is how the program is going to be written. Now what we can do, we have to create a test value for this. So to create a test value, we have to create an event configuration. In this, create a test event, select create a new event, give an event name as planet 1, let us say planet 1. Okay, then it should be a private, and select the template option is hello world. Now here you have to give a configuration value as if planet is earth. If the planet is earth, save it, and this is not taking the single quote value, so we should give a double quote here, and here also we should give a double quote value, and we should save this value. Okay, and since we are using Python 3.9, we should make sure all should be written in the double quote only. But before that, let us try to deploy it, and we get the success message here. Then click on test. So it is showing an error message, a syntax error in module Lambda function. So this is because a single quote. See in the line number 3, it is showing line number 3. and this is not being recognized because we are using a single quote here. So to avoid that, we have to make sure this program should consist of double quote, then only it will be recognized. Okay, so make sure all your single quotes are converted into double quotes. That's only we have to do here. Okay, so these changes will happen from version to version. So earlier for Python 3.7 single quotes is permitted. Now we have selected Python 3.9, so that's the reason why we have to change this into double quotes. Okay, so save it, deploy it, and then test it, so that you will get the response as result more. Okay, similarly, if you can give some other configuration, instead of a planet value is something like sun in place of earth, it will take the latest input. Okay, let us copy this, create just event name as planet2, and here select as a hello world. Okay, and these are the new values. Sun I have taken, and save it. Now save your program, go to this save your program and click on this deploy, and then click test, so that this is not a planet. Your planet value you have given as a sun. So this condition, if condition was failed first, so it went to else if, that is a planet is matching with the sun, then the condition is matching for this event, then immediately the return value is returned as this is not a planet. So that's how the results are going to be generated. Make sure guys, if this program is time bound is limited to 0 or 1 to 3 seconds, you can always go to configuration, click on edit, and increase the minutes or increase the seconds. It depends on your program, and you can customize your program as per this requirement. Okay, so guys, you can always go to your custom basics and click on this particular timeout option. Is it clear? So this is how you have to practice your Lambda programs each time. Okay, so thank you. This is the session for Lambda example number 2. Thank you.